Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from Sci-Fi Fantasy, a part of HobbyLinkInternational.com. If you come over to the site, you can check out the articles we have there, and you can also hit the community button in the menu and join our community also. So today we're going to be taking a look at Knight Models 1/10 scale bust of Severus Snape. If you don't know who Severus Snape is, he's a character in the Harry Potter books and movies, and he's portrayed by Alan Rickman in the movies, who unfortunately is no longer with us. Severus Snape in the movies is actually portrayed pretty much as a villain, but as you watch the movies and you read the books, you actually find out that he's very loyal to Dumbledore, and he's also very protective of Harry Potter. I won't say any more, just in case for some reason you haven't seen the movies or read the books. I'll leave it up to you to do that. But if you've seen the movies and you like those, I'm telling you, go get the books, read the books. There's a lot more in there. So enough babbling about Harry Potter. We're going to go over to the bench and we're going to check out the bust. What's in the box? Okay, these things aren't the easiest to open, but this is what comes inside. You have one piece of foam over here, and then they have the piece inside, which I'll take out. We'll take a look at him in a minute. Then they put some red paper in here, and then you got another piece of foam at the bottom for more protection. And then down here is the card, and we'll take a look at that. So this is the envelope that comes in the bottom of the tin with the card in it. You can see it has the Hogwarts seal and wax over there. I am actually not going to open mine up because I want to keep it sealed. We know what card is in here because you can see it on the back of the container. So this is the back of the tin, and this is the card that'll be in that little envelope. So it's a collector's piece, and you can see the painted up version right there. Okay, so this is the bust of Severus Snape, played by Alan Rickman, and you can see how well they sculpted his face, his hair. It just looks exactly like him. They did a great job on his clothing too, with the folds and the wrinkles, the buttons over here. Now, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and show you something that you may think you should take off, but you shouldn't. Okay, if you can see here, there's a line that goes across here on his shoulder and over here on his shoulder. If you can't see it, go over to HobbyLink International. There'll be a link in the description below for the written article. Those are not mold lines, so don't take those off. That's actually part of his cape or his hood that comes around the back here. So you don't want to take those off. That's actually part of his school uniform, so leave those. And while we're zoomed in, you can check out Alan Rickman's face there, how nicely they did it. And there will be plenty more photos up on the site. This way, if you want to check those out, instead of sitting here and trying to pause the video and check it out, you can go check those out in your own time. And now onto the pros and cons of the kit, and we'll start out with the cons. And I'm going to tell you right now, there is absolutely not one con to this kit. It's not even a kit, it's just a bust. So forget about cons. If you are into Harry Potter, go out and get this kit. So let's get into the pros of the kit. The first pro is you got a collectible tin, which is pretty cool, and on the back you got the picture. The next cool thing in there, that's a big pro I like, is the Hogwarts envelope with the stamp and the seal on there. I didn't open mine because I didn't want to ruin it. I already know what card is in there because it's on the back of the box, so I want to keep that like it is. And then the next pro is the sculpting. The sculpture of Severus Snape, or Alan Rickman, is just incredible. It really looks like him. They did an awesome job. The next pro would be that there are no mold lines on this thing, none at all. And if the ones I did show you were on the back, and those are easily sandable and it'll be smooth. Not that anybody's looking at the back of that little piece anyhow. But otherwise, this is an excellent kit. If you're a fan of Harry Potter, even if you don't build models or you don't paint, I would pick these up and keep them on the side, or find somebody that can paint them for you. So that's it. This is really an excellent kit. I suggest you go out and buy it. So that's it for this video unboxing of Severus Snape from Knight Models, and this was not provided by Knight Models. This was actually provided by Elaine Rossborough, my mother-in-law, as the kit we have to review. We actually have 3 more of these that we're going to check out in the coming days or weeks. We'll get to those and let you see those too. They're all pretty awesome. So if you enjoyed the video, or if you have any questions or comments, please throw a comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you as quick as I can. And if you haven't noticed, we are bringing over all our old MBI videos over to the channel, so you'll be seeing those. If you haven't taken a look at them yet, take a look. Paul does an excellent job on his reviews. I hope you guys have a great night. Take care and bye-bye.